So yeah, here I am attempting to de-grossify the 3000 keyboard. As you can see, it is rather gross. But over here, you can see the amazing creamy goodness of the Amiga 3000 keyboard. Looking much, much better. And this just comes down to using the old magic eraser. I like to tear off little chunks like this. And then I just dip it in warm to hot water, squeeze all the water out. Keep some brushes nearby to get rid of the little bits, because you will get little bits of magic eraser that kind of get stuck and trapped between the keys. You'll have to brush it out. Plus, of course, our friend, Mr. Office Depot cleaning duster. And then I keep a microfiber always nearby. But I already had great success getting the outer case cleaned up. So yeah, I figured it was time. Well, I haven't actually cleaned the inside, so yeah, you're gonna see some gross hairs there from who knows where. But yeah, I figured this is the big one, as you can see. It's really, really disgusting. But it is getting clean and it looks beautiful. I'm really happy to say that I don't see much of any yellowing on this. Once I cleaned it, I flipped it over to verify the underside color versus the outside color, and it looked wonderful. So I'm going to keep at this, and wanted to just post this quick update video. I haven't posted an Amiga specific video in a while, I know, but I've been pretty busy and it's been more fun just posting to my personal playlist with stupid, silly things that make no sense. And I'm sure many of you are like, what is this guy doing? But this is the stuff we really like. I really like doing this. And I'm glad to finally see this keyboard getting clean. And I hope you guys are too. All right. Thank you for watching this Q Cleans a Keyboard on YouTube's most underproduced, poorly produced Amiga channel.